Hey guys,
welcome back
to
with
another banger. So today we got tonight and so
Joey.
guys, today we made a video because you guys have to
Remember us.
know us. So my name is Zoe Lewis, 10 years old, born in 2015, 18th of April.
I'm Junaid Adams. I'm born in 2015. My birthday is 2020. I'm 10 years old, and my birthday is the 22nd or the 22 of February. So yeah, I just struggled, man. Like literally.
So guys, now you guys learn us. So put down below your name, your surname, your age, when you were born, and when you turn age.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is only a short video, and now you guys have to learn our cousin who's also in the video. He has to go home because he couldn't sleep here for a sleepover. So his name is Zaid Josephs. 10 years old, born in
2025. 2015.
And his birthday is the 24th of December, a day before Christmas. No, a day
After
no,
Christmas.
the day before Christmas. Yeah, that's all.